Hi guys, it's Melanie and I'm going to talk to you today about Toon.do, which is a website where you can make cartoons at. As it says up here, it's the world's fastest way to create cartoons. So the first thing you want to do is make a free account, which I already did, and up here in the top it'll say sign up for free. Then another thing you'd want to do in the beginning is go to Doers and click on my profile. It's a little slow loading up. But in here, you can build your own avatar, which I've done, and you can see mine. 1 second. Okay, so this is me. I'm feeling the ponytail today. So all you would do is click here, and it brings you to your own avatar page where you can create different faces, the shape you want it to be, what you want your hair to be like, your eyebrows, your nose, your cheeks. I decided not to go cheeks on mine because they were not very flattering. You can also do make yourself have a mustache, choose what kind of clothes you want to have. These are for the boys up here. And then down here for the girls, you can choose the shape of your face, what you want the back of your hair to be like, your eyes, and do your eye colors, etc. So this is me, and this is my profile. And as of right now, I do not have any cartoons in here yet, but we will talk about those. So then if you go to Toons, you can search other cartoons that people have made. Here's one in a different language that you can see. Or you can choose to create your own. This is how you would want your book to go for your first one. So let's say I want to do 2-page one. Sorry, this website is really slow for me today. All right, here we go. Then from here you can choose what we want the background to be, what you want your characters to look like, the props you want to have, the text you want to add in, etc. You can put your own clip art in. But right now, let's go with we're going to do some outdoors. I'm going to choose this one as looks like a little fantasy type one. Kind of reminds me of Dr. Seuss. And then I'm going to do some unusual characters I'm going to add in mine. And I can make this you can make this cartoon for any ages, whatever you'd want to do. So let's say I'm going to make it for a kindergarten class, something funny for them to learn about. Or not even learn about, I should say. Something that they can just laugh at in the morning to get them ready. So I'm going to put a snowman here. I can add in a little text box from him. And let's say he says, "Good morning, where am I? I see," oops, move this over a little bit. "I see no snow." You can move the text box around any way you want, or you can choose to change it, or where we want him to go, etc. So then there's a lot of other things you can do with it too. You can enlarge certain things, you can flip the screens back and forth, add in other things, but right now that is just how you do the cartoon part of it. So let's get out of here. Oops. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can actually create a book on here, doing the same way, which is it would have multiple pages for you to do the same thing. So even if you don't know how you want to make your own personalized cartoon, you can search others. So let's say, even though Valentine's Day was last week, but let's say if we search love. You can search all kinds of different cartoons that people have made based on that. So another cool feature that you can do on here is you can, if you hit shop, you can actually buy some of your cartoons that you have made in the past. So overall, the website, I mean, there's a lot on here to look at and do, but overall, the website allows you to create fun cartoons and books. And this kind of stuff could be good for, um, like the one I was making, something for the kids to come into in the morning to see and laugh about. You can actually have them create their own ones. You can have them create their own cartoon books that go on and on. So I hope you found my tutorial interesting, and go definitely check out Toondoo for some more creative things that you can do with it. Thanks, guys.